When people hear Australia and Oceania, they often think they mean the same thing. While they are closely connected, they are not the same. One is a continent region made up of many countries and islands, and the other is a single, large country. This is the true story of the difference between Oceania and Australia, a tale of geography, history, and amazing diversity. What is Australia? Australia is both a country, known officially as the Commonwealth of Australia. It includes the mainland and the island of Tasmania, plus thousands of smaller islands. In traditional geography, Australia is considered its own continent because of its size and isolation. Fun fact: Australia is the sixth largest country in the world by land area, but it's the smallest continent if counted separately. Key facts about Australia: capital Canberra, population about 26 million people, famous for the Great Barrier Reef, outback deserts, kangaroos, Aboriginal culture, and iconic cities like Sydney and Melbourne. Remember to like and subscribe for more fascinating insights. What is Oceania? Oceania is a larger region that includes Australia plus many other islands and countries across the Pacific Ocean. Oceania is made up of four main regions: Australia, the continent and country itself; Melanesia, including Papua New Guinea, Fiji, Solomon Islands, and Vanuatu; Micronesia, including small island nations like Palau, Kiribati, and the Federated States of Micronesia; Polynesia, including New Zealand, Samoa, Tonga, Tuvalu, and even Hawaii geographically. Fun fact: Oceania covers an enormous area of ocean even though the land area is relatively small. Key facts about Oceania area: about 8.56 million square kilometers of land, spread over millions of square kilometers of ocean. Population about 44 million people across dozens of nations. Oceania is famous for its stunning coral reefs, which are teeming with vibrant marine life. The region is also known for its breathtaking volcanic islands, each with unique landscapes and ecosystems. Rich indigenous cultures are a cornerstone of Oceania, with traditions and stories passed down through generations. And, let's not forget the traditional oceanic navigation, a skill that has been honed over centuries, guiding explorers across vast stretches of the Pacific Ocean. Main differences between Australia and Oceania. Feature Australia and Oceania. What it is. Australia is a country and sometimes called a continent. Oceania is a region made up of Australia and many Pacific islands. Land area: Australia spans 7.69 million square kilometers. Oceania covers 8.56 million square kilometers of land, not including the vast ocean. Population: Australia has about 26 million people. Oceania has about 44 million people. Political units. Australia is one sovereign nation. Oceania consists of 14 countries plus territories. Geography. Australia is mostly mainland and island, including Tasmania. Oceania includes tropical islands, coral atolls, and volcanic mountains. Diversity. Australia is mainly one country. Oceania comprises many countries, cultures, and languages. Fun fact: New Zealand and most Pacific Islands are part of Oceania but not part of Australia the country or the Australian continent. Why the confusion? In some older geographic models, Australia was simply called the continent. In modern usage, especially in cultural or political discussions, Oceania is used to emphasize the region's many different peoples and islands, not just Australia. Some people use Australasia to describe Australia, New Zealand, and nearby islands, adding even more terms. Fun fact: in sports like the Olympics and in international organizations, Australia often competes separately from other Oceania countries, showing it as a country, not just part of a regional group. Conclusion: Australia is a country, a single-nation continent famous for its landscapes, cities, and unique wildlife. Oceania is a vast region, a tapestry of Australia, New Zealand, and thousands of Pacific islands home to rich cultures and breathtaking natural beauty. They are connected, but they are not the same. Australia stands tall as one country, while Oceania is a wide, shimmering sea of nations, islands, and stories. Together they remind us that geography can be complex and incredibly beautiful.